Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, a train passes through the Appleton train station every 20 minutes. The first train each day passes through at 6 a.m. and the last train passes through at 10:40 p.m. We're asked how many trains pass through the station in one day. So the first thing you might think to do is say, okay, from 6 a.m. to 10:40 p.m., how much time is that? That's 16 hours and 40 minutes, right? It's from 6 a.m. to noon is 6 hours, and then it's another 10 hours and 40 minutes to 10:40 p.m. for a total of 16 hours and 40 minutes. Convert this to minutes is going to be 16 times 60 plus the extra 40, which is 1,000 minutes. And then 1,000 minutes, a train is just coming through every 20. Therefore, the number of trains is 1,000 divided by 20 is equal to 50. And that's almost the answer. But just to show why it isn't, let's just take from 6 to 7 a.m., right? This is 1 hour, and it is therefore 60 minutes. And 60 divided by 20 is 3. Therefore, we would expect 3 trains to come through at this time. If we look, we have a train at 6 a.m., then 20 minutes later at 6:20, then again at 6:40, and then again at 7. So in this span, we had 4, not 3, we had 4 trains. Let's look at from 6 to 8 a.m. That's 2 hours. Therefore, it's 120 minutes. And using the logic we were using here, therefore, we do 120 divided by 20 is 6 trains. If we continue this pattern, we have 720, 740, and 8. So this is, we have 3 and 4, and now we have 6, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this way of doing it is always going to underestimate by 1, right? It's never going to include the 6 a.m. train. So we just have to add 1 to our final equation, and we'll get 51, right? I could have just said you have to add 1, but I think it's a little helpful to see why you have to add 1, because you're always undercounting by 1 no matter what time frame you use. So that's why we have to add 1 here. 50 plus 1 is 51, and 51 is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.